Travel Fan. This is Bansi Oza और आज मैं दिल्ली में हूँ. Delhi is also known for the street shopping and there are some amazing stuff which you can get it on this street. So let's explore which are these street shopping areas in Delhi and what all you can buy. And we'll take a look at my Delhi shopping hall.
I started my day in Delhi for the shopping with visiting Connaught Place. Connaught Place is beautiful. It's filled with lot of street shopping as well as branded shops. Everything is around all the blocks which are there in Connaught Place in a circular format. You can visit them, you get the branded stuff and non-branded as well. Next to Connaught Place, there is another market which is called Janpat Market. Janpat Market is very well known for the street shopping which involves a lot of clothes, footwear, accessories and much more. Later we moved to South Delhi to visit the famous market called Sarojini Nagar Market. This market was filled with lot of street shopping. So many things were available here and at dirt cheap rate. Let's take a look.
Perfect always. Even the rebel one is nice. Rebel by choice. Yellow, white, keep going.
Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, it gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how.
Most of these markets are easily accessible by metro or you can hire a Uber or a cab. यहाँ पे प्राइस फिक्स नहीं है, सो आप जो भी बार्गेन करोगे वही आपका बेस्ट प्राइस होगा.
Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation.
Last stop to explore shopping places in Delhi is Delhi Hut. Delhi Hut is very beautiful and it's made for tourists who are coming to Delhi for the first time. It has an entry ticket which is around 40 bucks for the adults, and once you enter you will find all kinds of shops here. Delhi Hut is not about Delhi. You can find stuff from all the states in India. Not just the stuff but even the food stalls are as per the state. So you can get Punjabi food to Gujarati to even Rajasthan and Manipur. I spotted something interesting on the street and I decided that I cannot leave Delhi without the mark of Delhi. So that's why I went for this thread braid which people do at the entrance of Delhi Hut. It is damn cheap and they can do it in your hair as per the colors you want. These ladies are damn fast and within 5 minutes I got my 2 hairs braided with the thread and they looked amazing. What do you guys think about my new hairstyle? Is it cool?
So we are back from our shopping. मैंने तो मेरा shopping वहाँ पे enjoy किया and I picked up lot of stuff. So let's take a look at my shopping from जनपथ. वहाँ से मैंने ये जूट का टॉप लिया. This top is made up of jute and it has work in between. Here is the work and it's in green color and this costed me around 200 bucks. अगली चीज जनपथ से मैंने ली है वो है क्लोथिंग सेट. सो आई हैव दिस ब्यूटिफुल टॉप एंड उसके ही नीचे आई हैव शॉर्ट्स. It is very comfortable and the material is double layered. It's not a see-through which I thought it will be. This set costed me around 200 bucks. मैंने एक और बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग आइटम ली और वो है ये ब्यूटिफुल पिलो केस. I picked up this beautiful set of pillowcase from Janpath and this material is basically a velvet material, so I really loved it. The texture इसका बहुत ही अच्छा है. इसमें काफ़ी सारे स्टाइल और साइजेस अवेलेबल थे. They were available only in the square shape. The cost of pair of this pillowcase is 200. Another set which I bought from Janpath is this amazing, very cute Buddhas. These are 4 Buddhas and they are very cute. The set of these 4 cute Buddhas is very good and it's very cheap. It costed me only 150 bucks. If you love accessories then you should definitely head to CP because there you can find amazing accessories and that's where I picked up this beautiful earrings. This is multicolored earrings, very pretty and I thought they will look amazing. These earrings costed me only 50 bucks. Along with that I also picked a pair of these black earrings. These give rustic black color and these earrings again costed me only 50 bucks. I love small earrings. Another 2 pieces I bought. This one is flower and then I have another one. These are butterflies and again these small earrings costed me 50 bucks. Last item from Janpath is something which I really love and that is dream catcher. Very beautiful, very elegant dream catcher. This is a keychain. It's made up of metal and it looks elegant. And this pretty fellow is 150 bucks. Another item which I bought which is from Delhi Hut. This beautiful bracelet. It has amazing charms. It has elephants, leaf. I bought this from Delhi Hut and this costed me around 150 bucks. Another amazing place for shopping is Sarojini Market. Sarojini Market में आपको काफ़ी सारी fake copies मिलेगी, फर्स्ट कॉपी मिलेगी अच्छे ब्रांड्स की और वहाँ पे भी शॉपिंग का मज़ा ही कुछ और है. वो ऐसी प्लेस है जहाँ पे आप क्लोथ्स के लिए बहुत सारी शॉपिंग कर सकते हो और ये ऐसी प्लेस है जहाँ पे मैंने भर के शॉपिंग की है. सो लेट्स टेक अ लुक एट माई शॉपिंग फ्रॉम सरोजनी मार्केट. My favorite t-shirt is this one. It's called Rebel by Choice. I love this t-shirt. ये थोड़ा सा बड़ा है बट वही चीज़ मुझे अच्छी लगी बिकॉज दिस इज़ वेरी लूज, वेरी गुड एंड डेफिनेटली वर्थ इट बिकॉज ये मुझे सिर्फ मिला 150 bucks में. Moving on to another piece of item is this lovely pants. These are pants, parallel pants which are of cotton and this is the front, this is the back. They are stretchable and the best part is that they are copy of Zara. This pant costed me only 200 bucks. Another piece of clothing item which I bought from Sarojini is this beautiful shirt. I love the color. It is of purple shade and this shirt costed me around 150 bucks. My next piece of item from Sarojini is this amazing track pants. These track pants are Nike track pants, not the originals, but they are amazing. They are waterproof. The material is good. मेरे डांस क्लास के लिए और मेरे ट्रैकिंग के लिए मुझे लगा these track pants are worth it and they costed me only 200 bucks. ये सब कपड़े पहनने के लिए आपको बेल्ट तो चाहिए रहेगा and that's why I bought this beautiful belt. Very simple, very elegant belt and this belt only costed me 150 bucks. My next item is my most favorite item which I bought from Sarojini and that is called jacket. I picked up this funky, this very tomboyish, very good jacket from Sarojini. I love jackets. Whenever I'm traveling, I always wear jackets because मुझे फ्लाइट में काफ़ी ठंड लगती है और मुझे जैकेट चाहिए रहता है. ये एक्चुअली ठंड का जैकेट है बिकॉज ये थोड़ा हैवी है, मोटा भी है, लाइक द मटीरियल इज लिटिल थिक. This jacket costed me only 350 bucks. नेक्स्ट आइटम इज समथिंग जो हर जगह पे मिलता है और मैंने वहां पे देखा और मुझे लगा कि मुझे ये चाहिए, इसलिए मैंने ले लिया. एंड दोज आर सॉक्स एंड दिस कॉस्टेड मी ओनली 100 bucks. Similarly, मैंने ankle length socks भी लिए, a pair of 3 and they also costed me 100 bucks. I was definitely impressed by the shopkeepers in all these markets because यहाँ पे payments सिर्फ कैश में करना जरूरी नहीं था. All these shopkeepers had their Paytm and Google Pay account और आप स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग में ऑनलाइन पेमेंट उनको कर सकते हो. मैंने जितनी भी शॉपिंग की सारा पेमेंट मैंने जीपे से किया है और वो क्विकली हो जाता था. सारे हॉकर्स के पास अपना QR कोड था जिससे वो ऑनलाइन पेमेंट्स ले सकते थे. It made my life easier because I am someone who doesn't carry cash और मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग कर ही नहीं पाऊंगी बिकॉज मेरे पास कैश नहीं था. बट टू माई सरप्राइज every vendor in Janpat, every vendor in Sarojini was accepting GPay or a Paytm. If you are looking at shopping in Delhi, then definitely check out Janpat Market near Connaught Place, Sarojini Market, and those people who are looking at a sophisticated experience can go to Delhi Hut. These are some of the prime markets in Delhi for shopping. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section which were your favorite items, or if you have any questions related to my shopping, let me know in the comments. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe for your weekly dose of eTravel Finder.